Should I use my hands?
Wait, let me start again.
Oh, okay, yeah, I just noticed, sorry.
Shall I just carry on?
These are really exciting but also challenging times to work with photography. There have never been so many images and never been so many ways to work with images. So there's no genre or style that the programme has, and instead we work with students to negotiate and inform their practice as they go through the 3 years with us, which means that if you come to a degree show of ours, you'll see that the work is really varied. There are students working in the darkroom, there are students working with film, students working with installation pieces even.
The learning environment here is great. We have an area that is specifically just for our course, and there's just first, second and third years all working on different projects, and it's nice to have a place where you know you can come and it's not stressful because everyone's in the same position.
My class that I graduated with was a very diverse class. So we had different people who worked with photography in many different ways, and we had that opportunity to just explore what we wanted to.
We want our students to be thinking and acting locally, to be active contributors to the society and the profession that they're a part of, but also to think about the global and to think about the international. So this might be the sort of people that we get in to talk with students, this might be the sort of people that they'll see in tutorials, and also it will be field trips and even the opportunity to study or to work abroad.
So I'm currently doing an exhibition that our lecturers have helped me do, and that's currently getting published in Liverpool, which is something I never thought to be able to do in second year. So the modules here really equip you to do the kind of things that you want to do when you graduate, but even before.
Receiving tutorials and feedback regularly from tutors has always been very beneficial for me. It's not just simply being told what to do, it's always been encouraged to do ideas that you're not used to doing and just pushing yourself out to try something new.
You get lectures coming in from all these professional backgrounds and coming in and helping you, give you a bit of experience really on what to expect when you leave and graduate university. I think it definitely brings together the students and helps people bounce off ideas and just have that interaction every single day when you come into university.